To go snowmobiling in remote locations and constantly be exploring 6 zones like this, we use the onX Offroad app to unlock the next adventure every day we hit the snow.
At the beginning of each ride, we start the Go and Track feature within the onX Offroad app. This allows us to be able to refer back to where we started. It also tracks our ride all day so we can look back at it later.
Backcountry access has never been easier. With onX, it's easy to find trailheads and designated snowmobile trails that take you right up into the goods. You can also see boundaries like winter closures, wilderness boundaries, and private lands, all right there.
Whether you're looking for a bunch of snowmobile trails to go play on or go explore somewhere you've never been before, download the onX Offroad app and start planning your next snowmobile adventure right now.